In this video, we're going to look at how to create a packing slip using Xero's new invoicing feature. Creating a packing slip for your customer is quick and easy using the new invoicing feature. Let's have a look at how to do this. You first need to find the invoice you want a packing slip for by going to the sales screen. Click into the invoice. You then click this drop-down button here and select Packing Slip. This will open up a PDF document, which you can then either print or download. Note that the packing slip is a direct copy of the invoice and not editable, so it isn't suitable if you are shipping items in more than one parcel. And that is how to create a simple packing slip using the new invoicing feature.